Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Soundgear Sense wireless Bluetooth earphones and you need to do a hard factory reset back to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working, like the left earbud and the right earbud are not syncing. So one of the earbuds, there's no sound coming out of it, because this reset will also have them resync together. Also, if they're not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your phone, not syncing with the app, all that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, any situation where you want to set them up like they're new by wiping everything off of them, this is going to do that. So before you actually do anything on the earbuds, you can just go on your phone or any devices you've had them paired with in the past and delete them off of there. And then what we're going to do is with the earbuds on, either on the left or right earbud, it doesn't matter. We're just going to come in on one of them and we're going to go tap, 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 hold for 5 seconds. So again, it's tap, 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 hold for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, two things will happen. The earbuds will factory reset to their default settings, and then they will resync to one another. And from there, you can then put them back in the case, close the case, then open the case again, and it will go back into pairing mode, and then you can set them up like you're opening the case for the first time. So let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.